Essential fall property maintenance for Springtown, TX Weichert Realtors, Team Realty. As the vibrant colors of summer gradually fade away, it's time to prepare your property for the arrival of fall in Springtown, Texas. By taking a proactive approach to property maintenance during the fall, you not only protect your investment but also create a cozy and safe environment for the chilly days that lie ahead. Clear out gutters to ensure proper water flow, and inspect them for any leaks, sagging, or loose brackets. While the changing autumn foliage is undoubtedly beautiful, it's important to keep trees well trimmed to prevent potential hazards during storms or high winds. Have a professional inspect and service your heating system to ensure it's in optimal condition for the upcoming cold season. Before putting your fireplace to use, schedule a professional chimney sweep to clear away any buildup and inspect the flue for any blockages, damage. Whether it's clearing gutters or inspecting your heating system, following a well-rounded checklist ensures every aspect of your property receives the necessary attention.